Hello, welcome to Travel World Online. First, the headlines. Tourism Minister inspects Delhi spots. Prime Minister Modi travels world with minimum expenditure. Air India starts Delhi-San Francisco direct operations. Now, the news in detail. Union Tourism and Culture Minister Mahesh Sharma inspected a number of tourist spots in the national capital to check security arrangements after terror attack of Pathankot. Around 11:30 a.m., Sharma visited Qutub Minar, a masterpiece of Mughal architecture and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, but he was not happy with security arrangements of the monument. The minister also visited Red Fort and is likely to visit a number of other tourist spots. Security has already been tightened in the national capital following the pre-dawn attack by a group of heavily armed Pakistani terrorists on an Air Force base in Pathankot. At least 3 security personnel were killed along with 4 attackers in the gun battle. Airport, railway stations, bus stands and other vital installations in the city are on high alert. Narendra Modi may have toured the world like no other Indian Prime Minister during his first year in office, but his government has managed to keep the overall travel bill below the budgetary allocation by Rs 2 crore, according to the Union Finance accounts for 2014-15. As against the revised budget estimates of Rs 316.76 crore for 2014-15 passed by Parliament in the budget last year, the tour expenses of the PM and his ministers during the first year actually came down by Rs 2 crore. Flag carrier Air India commenced the first ever non-stop flight operations between Delhi and Silicon Valley hub San Francisco with international connections. With the commencement of Delhi-San Francisco operations, Air India became the first airline to offer direct connections from India to the west coast of the United States. Flight A1173 took off from Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi with 230 passengers at 2:35 hours. The occasion was celebrated with a special cake and passengers were presented with a rosebud at the time of check-in. Starting journey from Bengaluru, the flight will travel non-stop from Delhi to San Francisco, and passengers traveling to San Francisco will undergo customs and immigration formalities at Bengaluru Airport for their onward journey. Apart from Bengaluru, passengers will also be able to enjoy seamless connections to the flight through Delhi from 6 other cities, all IT hubs in India, that is Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kochi, Ahmedabad and Pune. Likewise, the return flight from San Francisco will provide onward connections to cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Kochi, Ahmedabad, Pune and Bhubaneswar. Passengers can enjoy non-stop entertainment, specially designed on-board menus and best of the comfort on board the ultra-long-haul flight. Thank you. Myself Neeraja Divate. For more updates, keep watching Travel World Online.